Hello guys, what I'm going to show today is how you can upload an HTML website into Hostinger basically, and it's very simple. But first of all, you're going to need to have your website downloaded. Okay, so make sure that you have your HTML website downloaded and you have all of the necessary files, the HTML, the CSS, the JavaScript, the home, the index, all of that. Okay, you need to have everything ready to go because we need to upload the files to Hostinger. Okay, so all of the files need to be present in your computer. What are you going to do now? You're going to go to websites in here and you're going to click on where it says dashboard or edit project. Okay, this is going to depend on what kind of version you have, but usually it's going to say dashboard. And now once you click on dashboard, you're going to click on file manager, as you can see in here. And now this is going to open, right? This is going to be all of the files inside your current project. As you can see, you have the widgets, things like that. But it doesn't matter. You're just going to click on new file or new folder. And you're going to upload every single file in your HTML website, the index, the home, whatever, all of that, okay? And after that, you're going to have your website uploaded. Thank you so much.